Hey, thanks for checking out my video. Today I'm making something that's called Puppy Chow or Muddy Buddies. I think some parts of the country they call it Reindeer Crunch. However, I make it a little different than the back of the cereal box because I like it to have more peanut butter and more chocolate and less powdered sugar. So this is my version of Puppy Chow or Muddy Buddies. This isn't going to make as big of a batch as it makes if you follow the recipe on the cereal box, because our kids are grown. It's just me and my husband, so I don't like to make a whole bunch of food and have it go to waste. So this is a smaller batch, but it'll be a little thicker with the peanut butter and chocolate and a little less white because I don't like a ton of powdered sugar on it. So let's get started. I've got 3/4 of a cup of peanut butter here, a tablespoon of butter, and I'm gonna put 3/4 cup of chocolate chips in there. This is a 1/4 cup measuring spoon here. Put this in the microwave. So I had to heat this in like 20-second intervals and keep stirring it. You gotta be kind of careful because when you have that much peanut butter in there, if you cook it too long, the peanut butter starts to burn and sort of stiffen up, so you don't want that. So I'm going to put my 5 cups of Chex into here. You can use Crispix, you can use the generic brand, it doesn't matter. And I'm just going to start mixing the chocolate. Oh, I should have got a bigger bowl. And you definitely don't want to let the chocolate sit around too long before you get started putting it on because it thickens up really fast and then it's hard to combine. This is really getting thick already. But that's what's going to make it good is all that peanut butter. Okay, so you can see I've got chocolate all over my hands, but it's very chocolatey, very peanut buttery. There's one lonely one with no chocolate. Okay, so I usually like to have some of those big extra large Ziploc bags around, but I don't have any of those right now, so I have this big bag that I'm going to put it in. Okay, so I'm going to put, for starters, I'm going to put a 1/2 cup of powdered sugar in there. And the truth is, when I make this, usually I don't measure anything. I just do it till it seems right to me. So we'll see if a 1/2 cup of powdered sugar is enough or if we might need a little more. But I don't like it to be real completely white because to me then it's covering up the peanut butter flavor too much. Okay, so that's a 1/2 cup, and what you want to do is you want to try to keep some air in the bag so there's room for everything to move around in there. And we need another 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. So that's 3/4 cups in total on the powdered sugar. might need actually a little more powdered sugar. It's still sticking way together. Put 1 more quarter cup in there and that's it for sure. Perfect. Okay, now see, that's the way I like it when it clumps up. That's when you know you've got good peanut butter in there and nice and thick. And it's not completely white, but it's not completely brown. It's somewhere in between. So to me, that looks just about perfect. And if you want to get the recipe, I'm going to put a link to it in the description. And check out some of my other videos. I've got cupcake decorating, cooking, a lot of different things. And I also have a website. It's rhondasthrifty.kitchen.com. And also on YouTube, my channel is Rhonda's Thrifty Kitchen. So check out some of my other stuff. And do me a favor, hit subscribe. It's free to you and it helps me to be able to make more videos. So thanks for checking out my video today, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.